Hey guys, Fear 880 and welcome to part one on how to buy the all-new 2018 Jeep Wrangler JL. We are at Lake Kiwi Dodge and Chrysler in Seneca, South Carolina. And we're gonna go check out the new Jeeps. So come along with me and let's check this out. So one of the first things you want to do is head over to www.jeep.com, click on the all-new 2018 Wrangler and just play around with some of the options. Get familiarized with everything and choose which model you might be interested in purchasing. If you're in the greater Greenville area or in the upstate South Carolina area, you can also head over to LakeKiwiChryslerDodge.com, and there you can search all the Jeeps and Chrysler products they have available. So ever since I traded in my JK for our Tahoe, I basically ended up with a new Nissan Altima SR, and this has been an incredible car. I love this little car. This car has been everywhere. It is an incredible commuter car. It gets incredible gas mileage, but I miss being in a Jeep Wrangler. I miss my old Jeep. And I really want the new 2018 Jeep Wrangler Sahara in ocean blue, fully decked out with a color matching hardtop. There's only one ocean blue metallic Wrangler right now in the United States. Apparently there's either some freeze or hold or some sort of delay at the factory. No dealers are getting any ocean metallics. So the best thing to do right now is come back to Lake Kiwi Dodge. Since they sat down with me, they were really cool. John is the general manager. Joe is going to be my salesperson. You'll see him here in a second. I need to see what my Nissan is worth to them. And also we're going to go ahead and actually build the Wrangler that I want. This will be a first, and also it'll allow me to get the dealer discount and stuff. And so let's see what happens. So on the Jeep website, we're going to go ahead and click Build and Price. And since I'm going to be getting a 4-door Sahara, we're going to click here and click Build. And then it automatically shows us the Pentastar V6 engine, which is standard. And so I'm going to go ahead and add the automatic transmission, the anti-spin rear differential, and it's telling me I'm going to go standard with all season tires, which we'll change that here in just a second. We have our rear axle differential ratio. Click on packages, and I'm going to go ahead and get the LED lighting group, the cold weather group, the tow package, the Uconnect infotainment system, and this is telling me that I will be upgrading to a larger screen. We're going to go ahead and click on the dual top, the Jeep active safety group, and then now we're going to go ahead and click on exterior. So I am wanting ocean blue metallic clear coat, and it automatically populates where the hardtop, so now I'm clicking on the body colored hardtop. I do not like the standard Sahara rims, so I'm going to upgrade to the gray polished wheels. And this is where the option for either the Goodyear or the BF Goodrich all-terrain tires comes in. So we click onto the next page, and I want black leather trimmed interior. We already have our Uconnect selected. And the other option is going to be the remote proximity key. So we go over here and click View Summary, and this is what my brand new 2018 Jeep Wrangler Sahara 4-door will look like. I can go over here and review everything that I've chosen as far as additional options, and after all that's done, click Print, and I go over to John to get it built through the system. So after going over everything, here it is. I'm going to go ahead and show a clip of this real quick. I went ahead and decided to go ahead and build my first Jeep Wrangler because the last one was from the dealership. This is really cool because you've seen in the video here prior to this clip of what you can do on the website, everything you can choose. And this process took, what, less than 30 minutes to build it out. And now it's in the factory in queue, and it's going to have my name on it. So a huge shout out to John, the general manager. This is Joe, my sales guy here at Lake Kiwi Dodge and Jeep here in Seneca, South Carolina. And hopefully the next shot of this video will be me arriving here to pick my brand new Jeep Wrangler up. What the? No, we're not buying that. The Wrangler, the JL, but actually the video should really be called What to Expect to Order a JL. So check this out. They have an ocean blue inside, but it's not mine. I could have got it on Friday, but I'm waiting for my full blue. So let's go. All right, so let's check this out. Where? Ooh, look at that. Look at that. Man.
Sharp.
So this is basically going to be exactly what mine will look like, except mine will have the full blue hard top. Mine will have the leather interior. This one does not have heated seats or the heated steering wheel. Man. It's got the Bridgestone all-terrain tires. Look at this. So the Saharas are now coming with the fuel door now. Before that wasn't.
Yep. And your subwoofer over there.
Yeah, there's the.
On the right side, not on the floor anymore.
That color, dude, that thing looks sharp.
Yes.
Man. Look at the tread on it. See, this looks so much better than the Goodyear tires. That is sharp. Look at that. So for today, we are going to be doing a demonstration on this absolutely stunning 2018 Jeep Wrangler Sahara with the ocean blue metallic. And the new Jeep Wrangler 2018 JL is completely redesigned. It is absolutely gorgeous inside. The entire cockpit, everything from the center console to the radio system to the interior to the dashboard, the shifter, everything is completely redesigned. One of the cool new features on the new Jeep Wrangler is now the door check hinge. Basically, this is an assist for the door and keeps it where you want it instead of the door just swinging open. Now, to remove your door with this new check hinge system, remove the bolt on the check hinge, your strap, and then your torque spit screws on the outside of the door, and your door will come off with ease. The inner door panels have also been redesigned to accommodate for tall people and also a place now to rest your knee. Something new you'll find on the new 2018 Jeep Wrangler JL, I believe the Sahara and Rubicon, is now the leather stitched dashboard. You've got a much larger storage area on top of the radio stack here, and the materials are just so much more refined than before. Using this new 2018 JL Sahara as an example, you now have a redesigned key fob, you have push start, you can also get factory remote start, and if you have this option, this is now part of your proximity key option. You can also get the optional Jeep Assist. And basically, if you press the assist button, you can either choose from roadside assistance, Uconnect Care, vehicle care, and the SOS will connect you to emergency services. And finally, Jeep has now given us an integrated garage door opener on our new 2018 JL Jeep Wranglers. Rear seat passengers now have their own vent system for the heating and AC system, and they also have new USB ports along with the 115/110 AC volt power outlet. New for Jeep in 2018 on the Wranglers is my favorite option, the proximity key option. Basically, you now keep your key fob in your pocket and you can lock or unlock your Jeep by just the push of a button. Even going to the back of the Jeep, the entire 2018 Jeep Wrangler JL has been completely redesigned. We now have just additional storage now under the storage mat that used to be on the old JKs. And you also have a new wiring type harness or adapter part for when you take your hardtop off to secure your connectors. One of the options on this Sahara is the optional towing package. One of the cool things they did on the new 2018 Jeep Wrangler is relocate the wiper assembly and motor on the hardtops. Before on the JKs, this used to be at the top of the back glass, and now it is relocated at the bottom to give you additional visibility. And finally, Jeep has given us a rear view camera, which is now mounted in the center of the spare tire assembly. One of the options that you can get, as I mentioned at the beginning of the video, is the BF Goodrich all-terrain tires versus the standard Goodyear tires. Now, I believe the BF Goodrich tires just have a much nicer, beefier look to them versus the Goodyear tires. And one of the problems on the older JKs is the Goodyear tires did not last that long at all. You can also get the optional LED appearance package, which gives you optional LED headlights, LED fog lamps, and LED marker lights, and it just provides you much greater visibility compared to the old standard headlights that were on the JKs before 2000, I believe 2016. There is a rumor going around that I heard that the person that redesigned the new Jeep Wrangler JL is a huge Star Wars fan and supposedly designed this center part of the headlight. There's a scene in Star Wars where Luke Skywalker is out in the desert looking through these particular binoculars shaped like this centerpiece. This particular Sahara was ordered with the customer preferred package, the 24G package. It has the optional towing package, the LED lighting group, the Uconnect GPS navigation infotainment system with the upgraded 8.4-inch display screen, which also includes the outpoint subwoofer and the auto-dimming rearview mirror. It also comes with the 8-speed automatic transmission, the Jeep Active Safety Group, the optional Select Track full-time four-wheel drive system, the anti-spin differential, the proximity key, the Black Freedom hardtop, and the all-terrain tires with the optional gray polished face wheels and the remote start.